Welcome to SumTime04. Today we're going to work with page 17. And today's lesson is called Statistics 2. We're going to talk about average wages. Now you know, statistics can be very misleading, so you have to study them very carefully to make sure they do not give you the wrong impression. I live in a very small community. There are only 13 houses in the village. In most families, there's only one wage earner, only one person who works. But in 3 families, 2 people earn a wage. This is what the families look like. And wage number 1, we have 400, 200, 300, 250, and so on. That's how many dollars they earn. Wage number 2, you can see there are only 3 families where there are 2 wage earners. Family number 2, family number 6, and family number 11. If you add up all the wages, you'll find that the total wages for all 13 families is $5,200. That's $5,200 each week. So let's try and find the average weekly income per household. If there are 13 households and they earn $5,200, we divide 5,200 by 13, and the answer is 400. If we want to find out the average wage per worker, well, there are 13 homes, and in 3 of those homes there are 2 wage earners. So 13 plus 3 is 16. If we divide $5,200 by 16, we find that the average wage per worker is $325. So the average wage per household is $400, but the average wage per worker is $325. Recently, a new neighbor moved into the village. The lady was seriously rich. The 2 people who lived in number 6 quit their jobs and went to work for her. I discovered that they were both getting much better pay than before. One of them was getting $500 and the other was getting $366. So how much did the people in house number 6 earn together now? 366 plus 500 equals 866. How much more was this than before? 866 minus 450 equals 416. So what was the total income of the village? Instead of 5,200, it's now 5,616. So if we divide that by the 16 wage earners, we find that the average wage has gone up to 351. So instead of 325, it's gone up to 351. But only 2 people are earning more money. That's enough for now. See you again soon.